This video is going to show you the multiple ways you can download mailing labels using our website. Simply go to scpafl.org. The first way is by using a text-based option on our website. On our homepage, click the search option at the top and select Real Property. Click the Subdivision tab and start typing the subdivision you are looking for. This option is good for HOAs because you can select multiple subdivisions. In this demonstration, I'm using Aliqua. Aliqua has 12 subdivision options for me to select. You can pick and choose from the available options, or you can select all. Down on the bottom corner, it will show you how many parcels you will be downloading. In this case, we have 824. Once you are done with the selections you want, use the drop-down bar and select the label format you're using. The second way is by using a map-based option. Click the search option at the top and select mailing labels. I'm going to continue to use Aliqua for our demonstration. If you are wanting to select a specific subdivision, in this case Aliqua Lakes, Phase 3, hover over that option to select it. It will then outline everything within that subdivision on the map. If that's all you needed, select the label format you're wanting to use and click Download. Another way to search is by selecting a location. In this demonstration, I'm using the County Services Building. Using the point option, select the parcel you want to use as your center. You can then enter in a search distance. I'm going to use 1,500 feet from the County Services Building. You can then review everything that was highlighted within your search parameters. If you need to add or remove any parcels, click the green Select button on the left. To add, hold down Shift and make the selection using your mouse. To remove, hold Control down and then make that selection using your mouse. Once you've made all the selections, choose your label format and click Download. If you need further assistance, please do not hesitate to call our office at 407-665-7506.